Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Jubilant Dev's channel. This is the first video I'm doing live where I'm showing my face. Most of you that have been following my channel will understand that I've always been doing my videos with my phone, where I talk about 1688 and how you can actually trade on it. Alright, well, today is my birthday actually. Today is my birthday. That's why I decided to show my face, because I want us to talk about something very important today. Alright, today I feel like sharing an opportunity with my viewers, my subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so a lot of people have actually been asking me, telling me how frustrated they are doing their mini importation business because of the high charges of um, shipping procurement agent. Because of the high charges most procurement agents charges them. Okay, now I've decided to do something for us, okay, this period. For those of us that will actually want to go into, actually take advantage of this, okay? It's just a kind of a birthday offer, all right? So I want to open a group, okay, for those that want me to be procuring for them, okay, for the next 12 months. So for the whole 1 year, I'm going to be procuring for you free of charge, no procurement fee, no. So it's going to be an advantage for you. You are no longer going to be paying procurement fee per link as you've been doing with other agents, okay? So you're not going to be doing that again. So what I want to do this season is I want to create a group where you can actually subscribe to my procurement premium group, where I will add you to a WhatsApp group and I will procure for you for free. So no more procurement fees, and you're going to get your yuan at the normal rates, okay, at the normal rate. So there's not going to be any hike on your yuan purchase, but you are just going to do only one thing, which is subscription. And most of you will be wondering, how much is this subscription? It's just a token of 20,000 naira for a whole 1 year. So for a whole 1 year, you are paying just 20,000 naira to join the procurement premium group, where we carry out your procurement services free of charge, okay, without charging you procurement fee. So if you're interested to enroll in this offer, if you're interested in it, so you do well, you click down below, you see my number below this video. Okay, you pick my number, you send me a message on WhatsApp, then I will send you the payment details where you make your payment, where you subscribe, then I will add you to the WhatsApp group. Remember, I'm going to save you a lot of costs, a lot of expenses, which you would have spent in the cost of procurement. For those of you that may have a challenge with your Alipay account, some of you, your Alipay account have been blocked, and some of you will be having issues verifying your Alipay account because of the cost implication. So subscribing to this offer is another advantage for you, because you are not going to be paying procurement fee again for the next 1 year. Not only that, I'm going to be sharing some tips in the group on how you can scale up your mini importation business and e-commerce business. So if you are interested to be a part of this premium group, just hit me via WhatsApp, then I will add you to the group, then you make your payment. Remember, I said it's 20,000 naira subscription for your whole 1 year. For your whole 1 year, meaning you can place order as many times as possible you want without being charged procurement fee. I just want to do it for a limited number of persons that will be interested in this offer. It's not actually for everybody. So for those of you that want to buy into this, you just click below this video, you see my WhatsApp number, and hit me up on WhatsApp. See you in the procurement premium group. Thank you very much.